know that your employees can access a comprehensive library of online equipment, driver, and safety training courses through your own custom-branded online learning portal? The eSafety program allows you and your employees to access over 100 online safety courses developed by leading safety training companies from across the country. You only pay for what you use, and you have the ability to customize programs by adding your own policies, procedures, questions, and courses to the training. Each course includes knowledge testing, a certificate of completion, as well as the option to validate competency through a blended learning option. The best part of the eSafety program is that you can manage all of your company's training through one easy-to-use online application. Through your customized learning portal, you can set up hundreds of employees, check their progress, track their training, and access their training results and certificates all online. Connect to a world of safety to increase compliance while reducing recordable incident frequency.